Hello everyone, I am recording a special video for you all just to show you how to get into the Research Project Situational Business Report. Be sure again that you are going to course content, and right under the week 3 folder is where it's actually posted now. You will see a kickoff video that I had actually recorded last semester, but the Situational Business Report works much in the same way as the Report for Logistics did. But I did want to give y'all just a little bit of heads up and show you some of the files I have posted here for you. So after the video, you can go to Situational Business Research Report Project Directions, and it is a PDF form. And if you open it up, it just kind of tells you what I'm looking for and how to set up your report. Again, it's not a research paper. It's more like a business report, so you don't have to go to the library and do any sources. But I did pretty much told you that it is over the Apex Polybob Company case on page 95 and 96. What you'll be doing is actually assuming the role of the plant manager after you read the case study. Then you're going to take questions 2, 3, 5, and 6 and prepare your MRP model. And if you see down at the bottom how it's supposed to look, there's your cover page, a table of contents, an introduction, a body, conclusions and recommendations, and notes. And also the formatting, about 2 to 3 pages, a cover page. Of course, you can read this better when you go into the report and download the report directions. The main thing is, though, I did post a sample report of a student that actually allowed me to use hers from last inventory class last spring. So under the directions, if you read the directions and it still doesn't make a whole lot of sense to you, you need to go down to the next item, which is a situational business report example. And I have it in PDF, and the student used the report styles from Microsoft Word. If you are on the campus and want to come visit with me about this on Hope Campus, and I can show you where those sample templates are, or if you're on Texarkana campus, just give me a call and we'll talk about it, and I promise I can walk you through it. But I actually posted this to give you something to work off of. If you're like me, if you have a pattern, you can pretty much create what you need to create in the right manner. So this is kind of like your pattern. So this was one that a student did last semester that I thought was very straightforward and very good. She had her table of contents. She typed it up. She didn't do anything too much fancy, but she did do it professional looking. And she had each of her sections. So you can do it just like that. I do prefer that you use your imagination, though. And if you want to get a little more decorative, you sure can. But this is a really good model. And, of course, you'll be able to see it better when you go in and look at it. But the main thing I want you to do is to take a very close look at this MRP, Material Requirements Planning Model. She actually took the one from the book, and by going through those questions I told you to do at the beginning of the project, answering those questions, you can figure out what to do. And you can use this as a model, and actually what she done was used Excel and imported it into her Word document. So if you have any questions like that, technical in nature, I teach electronic spreadsheets. I can help you with that. I won't do it for you, of course, but I will get you in the right direction. So hopefully you can go by some of the MRP examples in the book and give you a good idea of what you need to do. And finally, the recommendation part, her recommendations, which pretty much I think was and she answered the questions pretty much, I think, on 5 and 6 of the case study. So that's kind of what I want y'all to be aware of. I know this is sort of a little kind of hard to see, but I just thought I'd give you just a good little tour of this. And then finally, when you go back, you see the situational business report. This is the area which you just submit your final report that's due on Sunday, February 26, 2017. And it's worth 100 points. I hope this helps you, and if you have any questions, please, even after viewing this video, come see me. I'll be happy to talk to you about it. And do not skip this assignment because you feel like you don't understand it. It is required, so skipping it really is not an option that you need to do. Some of us are new to supply chain management, but never fear. Like I said, I'll help you, point you in the right direction, and you'll be able to do a very good report, I'm sure, at the end. Again, have any questions, just get back in touch with me at 870-722-8261 or rachel.parson@uacch.edu. Hope you all have a great night.